वालिद भाई, कैसे हैं आप?
आई एम गुड। आप कैसे जलाल भाई?
आप बस ठीक है, ठीक है। आप ठीक है, मजे में?
जी बस सब खैरियत।
अच्छा, तो सबसे पहले अपना थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग मी। आई नो वी आर रनिंग लेट, लेकिन आप जो है, आपका पेशेंस है। थैंक यू सो सो मच।
नो नो, इट्स ऑलवेज अ प्लेजर एंड वंडरफुल टॉकिंग टू यू ऑलवेज।
या तो अब एनी बिकॉज वी वर प्लानिंग टू कनेक्ट लास्ट वीक, लेकिन जो है साइक्लोन आने वाला था मुंबई में। सो हाउ डिड एवरीथिंग गो?
जी, नो आई थिंक थैंकफुली इट वेंट वेल। कुछ हुआ नहीं, एटलीस्ट बॉम्बे में नहीं हुआ।
जी।
सो आई थिंक वी वर लकी।
या तो अभी जैसे लास्ट वीक, like so we lost one of the great musician in Bollywood industry, अपना वाजिद खान साहब। तो एंड यू आर राइट देयर, तो थोड़ा उनके बारे में बताएं कि लाइक व्हाट हैपेंड सडनली?
नो, इट डिड नॉट हैपन सडनली। सो वाजिद भाई को किडनी का प्रॉब्लम था एंड उनका किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट हुआ था लास्ट ईयर।
जी।
सो उनकी सिस्टर इन लॉ लुबना जी ने उनको किडनी दिया था, हु साजिद's वाइफ, साजिद
ओके।
वाजिद, साजिद एल्डर ब्रदर्स वाइफ।
जी जी।
सो ही वाज फाइन आफ्टर दैट। दबंग 3 का म्यूजिक का हुआ एंड आई मेट हिम फॉर दैट एंड वी डिड एन इंटरव्यू विद हिम एंड साजिद भाई।
जी
सो बट apparently ड्यूरिंग द रिकॉर्डिंग्स ऑफ दबंग 3 थोड़ा सा उनको स्ट्रेस ज्यादा हुआ एंड ही ओवरवर्कड मे बी, जो भी, and his conditions are deteriorating.
जी
So he had certain issues, and then ये एक हॉस्पिटल में थे, एक लोकेलिटी है चेंबूर,
जी
और he was there and somehow it was detected that he was having COVID and उसके बाद अभी कोविड का तो बेसिकली क्या होता है कि अगर आपको कोविड हो जाए तो everything gets triggered. So if you're having an underlying condition like kidney,
जी।
heart condition or anything, so it just affects very badly, and that's what happened with him as well.
या तो
So
लास्ट 40 डेज वी लॉस्ट जो है ऋषि कपूर साहब थे, इरफान खान से, जो इरफान खान साहब थे। नाउ वी लॉस्ट ये जो वाजिद खान। तो
and even Basu Chatterjee.
ओ इज दैट राइट? दैट्स
Basu Chatterjee is one of the finest directors ever.
वाह। तो when you talk to like जो other artists, other directors, तो उनकी आजकल फीलिंग्स क्या चल रही है? बिकॉज आई नो इट्स बीन a big loss to the Bollywood.
Yeah, see, anyways, the film industry is in a state of shock. These big luminaries, they have passed away, but at the same time, there have been a few suicides by strugglers, young artists, because there are a lot of issues with the film industry because of the entire corona crisis. There's no work for people, and people are in a state of shock, and so that's a big issue as well right now.
Right.
So everyone is going through a very difficult phase. No one had ever imagined that something of this nature can possibly happen, because the year started on a positive note for the industry. Tanaji was a film that did extremely well at the box office. So people were hopeful that it'll be a good year, because last 2 years have been good for the industry, especially on the box office. But then suddenly this thing happened, and so Baghi 3 was there in March. Thappad
Yeah.
did well, and Baghi 3 started on a big note. But then because of the lockdown, it had to discontinue. So, and after that, there's a downhill. So we don't know when the theaters are going to open and how the shooting is going to take place of various films. So it's a very difficult time for the film industry.
Right. तो आपको क्या लगता है, just as a journalist, तो because I know, let's say अगर 1-2 महीने में अगर सब everything back to normal again, लेकिन आई थिंक जो है एंटरटेनमेंट का पार्ट होगा, दैट प्रोबब्ली द लास्ट थिंग इन एनीवन माइंड।
Yeah, leisure comes later.
पैसे खर्च करके मूवी देखनी है, तो
Leisure comes later.
नेक्स्ट क्या होगा ये जो 4-6 महीने?
नहीं तो even even no one knows that when the theaters are going to open. So nothing can be said possibly. As of now, it's a very difficult situation. The only thing that is hopeful in a way for people is that films are releasing on OTT platforms. Like these two big films are releasing on OTT platform. That is Gulabo Sitabo starring Mr. Bachchan and
Right.
Ayushmann,
Yeah.
and Shakuntala Devi starring Vidya Balan. And more films will be announced soon. So there will be films coming up on OTT platforms. OTT platforms need content. OTT platforms have been doing very well since lockdown because people are locked down in their houses,
Right.
and they have to watch content. And even these OTT platforms need fresh content. They're
Yeah.
offering decent amounts of money
Right.
to producers. So more films will be coming up on OTT platforms. So that is the only silver lining as of now. But apart from that, everything is uncertain.
Yeah. 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 So like of course, Bollywood is so big, around the world. Like well, I'm sure you're getting a request from other people as well. Like क्या होगा Bollywood का, क्या होगा Bollywood का. So do you think हम जो live shows देखते थे, do you think it will continue? Like जो artists going to the different countries and do some shows, do you think ऐसा होगा?
देखिए, in the immediate future, तो I think किसी ऐसी कुछ भी होना मुझे मुश्किल लग रहा है. Shows
जी.
का कुछ भी होना. For example, US tends to host a lot of shows, but there's a very bad situation in US as of now. So
Yeah.
obviously, there's no traveling happening. International travel hasn't started in India as of now. Even Europe, for example. So Europe is opening up, but still, for something like a concert to happen will take time.
Yeah.
So what is happening maybe, and what I see happening through this year from here on. So there will be e-concerts. So already artists, they are doing e-concert, but those are mostly for charity purposes so far.
Yeah.
And but I see more of these concerts happening, and for commercial purposes now, because the tour operators and the basically the uh, organizers of various shows across the world, they need something at least, and this is something that I see happening.
Yeah. Yeah. तो रिसेंटली अभी आपने जो है सोनू निगम जी का जो इंटरव्यू किया था, आई थिंक रिसेंटली इट वाज, तो इट वाज फॉर आवर वाजिद भाई. So yeah, how did it go? Can you share something?
Yeah, so Sonu sir was the first one who informed me that Wajid is in a serious condition, and later he told me late in the night that he's no more. He was the first person
Yeah.
to tell me, and then I happened to be the first person to tweet about it, and then others followed. Even Sonu sir followed after some time. So Sonu sir had a long association with Wajid and Sajid. They did their first cover in 1996, and after that, their album Divana in 1999, it became a cult album. So it did huge business at that point. From the number of cassettes that was sold were massive. The CDs were massive, and that's how their association started, and they were part of many films together, be it Hello Brother title track and Mujhse Shaadi Karoge, they were, and Veer, the song was there, God to See Great, or Hum Tumhare Hain Sanam. A lot of films, Chashme Baddoor, um, many films. So they've had like a really long association, and personally as well, they were very close. Sonu told me that when Wajid was just quoting the fancy who later got married, Kamal. So they had some differences, and there was a point of time that maybe they would have separated. So Sonu was
Yeah.
instrumental in bringing them together, and they used to have Food, very often they used to be there for each other's festivals. Wajid's mom used to make khichda for Sonu and send it across to him whenever she used to make it. So they had a very close association, even in terms of musically. He told me that in the Sajid Wajid team, Wajid was someone who was a music guy in terms of composing, and Sajid is a very talented person as well. But he was someone who handled the business aspects more and
Right.
getting across to people and getting the business going. So uh, in terms of, and Wajid was a singer as well. So he was the one who explained the melodies to Sonu, and he also said that Wajid came up with intricate compositions for him. Sonu used to feel that maybe I may not be able to do it because it's a very high pitched song, but Wajid believed, Bhaijan aap kar lenge.
Yeah.
And he used to manage to do it. So they had a great relationship.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Farido, when you joined me last time, I asked you one of the question, like who's the best Jodi in Bollywood these days, and you said might be the Karthik and Sara Ali Khan. So their movie came, Love Aajkal. How did it go?
In theaters, it did not do that well,
Okay.
but recently it was launched on Netflix, and it was trending, and a lot of people they watched it on Netflix. Their pairing definitely is very very sought after. There's no doubt about that. So I recently interviewed Karthik, and there were fans who were asking questions about Sara. And later, after the interview, the way they shared those portions on Instagram and Twitter was something else. So there is something in a Jodi, and you can feel it. And it doesn't have to be a successful Jodi in terms of commercial success all the time. People can
Yeah.
take to anything. You never know.
Yeah. So one more thing, Farido bhai, because I see you on a Facebook, you are a good shire, you sing as well, you host as well. So what else do you do? Because the one we don't know you about.
You know, it's nothing of that sort. I think whatever you do, just do it well. Try and do it well. So I love to make friends, and I have friends all across the world, and I'm extremely lucky. So that's something which is, I think, very important for me. And
Right.
friendships are meant for long term, and they should be selfless.
Right. Yeah. So yeah, before I let you go, you want to say kind of the last message, last comment you want to say?
Yeah. So personally, I knew Wajid Bhai quite well. I first met him around 9 years back. So उनकी एक फिल्म थी कल किसने देखा, और उसका म्यूजिक लॉन्च था थाईलैंड में, पटाया में.
Okay.
So I'd gone over there and I met him for the first time, both of them for the first time. और उस फिल्म में गाना उन्होंने गाया था, तेरे बिना. तो जब उनकी इंतकाल के बाद में वो गाना बहुत मेरे जहन में बार बार आ रहा है, बिकॉज उसकी लिरिक्स भी जिस तरीके की है, तेरे बिना जिया लगे ना. एंड ही वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल सिंगर, वेरी नाइस वॉइस. और उनकी जो आवाज थी वो उनकी शख्सियत के बिल्कुल कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री थी. वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड वेरी जेन्युइन, और वो एकदम बिल्कुल आपको दिल को टच करे. एंड ओवर द इयर्स मेरी उनसे काफी बार मेरी मुलाकात रहती थी, और मुझे गाने का शौक है. उन्होंने यूज्ड टू एनकरेज मी, एंड उन्होंने मेरे गाना एक बार ट्वीट भी किया है, और उसके अलावा कहते थे कि यार हम साथ में हम कुछ करेंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, जस्ट फॉर फन से. और इत्तेफाक की बात है कि आप कैलगरी में कनाडा में हैं, और जब मैं सलमान का शो कवर कर रहा था तो हमारा लास्ट शो था टोरंटो में.
जी.
एंड टोरंटो में शो के बाद में behind the stage, I was supposed to interview Salman sir and Jacqueline and Sonakshi, and Wajid Bhai was there.
Okay.
So I met him over there, and every time when we used to meet, we used to वेरी नाइस पर्सन. एंड ये मैंने उनके बारे में जनरली सबसे सुन रहा हूँ कि एज अ पर्सन ही वाज एक्सट्रीमली वार्म. तो टोरंटो में मेरी उनसे वहां पर मुलाकात हुई. उसके बाद फिर दबंग 3 से पहले हम लोगों ने उनका इंटरव्यू किया. बहुत डिटेल्ड इंटरव्यू था और आई एम ग्लैड कि हम लोगों ने वो किया. उससे पहले भी हम एक बार मैंने उनका एक इंटरव्यू किया था साजिद वाजिद का महबूब स्टूडियो में. तो ये एसोसिएशन मेरे साथ उनके साथ में था. और आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव कि जरूरी नहीं है कि आप बहुत बार किसी से मिले हों कि आपको एक उनसियत हो जाए, आपको अटैचमेंट हो जाए. लेकिन वाजिद भाई का जब से पता चला है तो बहुत ही रेयर है कि उनकी बातें याद आ रही हैं और उनकी पर्सनैलिटी याद आ रही है. और काफी तकलीफ से गुजरे वो.
जी.
जैसे मुझे ममता शर्मा ने बताया, सिंगर हैं जिन्होंने फेविकॉल से गाना गाया था. और मुन्नी बदनाम हुई गाए थे. खैर मुन्नी बदनाम कंपोज ललित ने किया है, ललित पंडित ने किया है, इन्होंने नहीं किया, लेकिन फिल्म वही थी. लेकिन अनारकली डिस्को चली वो भी इन लोगों ने कंपोज किया था, जिसको कि ममता ने गाया. और भी काफी गाने गाए हैं ममता ने उनके लिए. तो वो भी रोने लगी हैं. वो भी वही बता रही थी कि जब मैंने उनको वीडियो कॉल पे देखा तो वो बोल नहीं पा रहे थे. एंड सोनू टोल्ड मी कि उनके गले में फूड पाइप में पानी के खाने के लिए ट्यूब डाला गया था. एंड ही वाज नॉट एबल टू टॉक. एंड वो इशारे से बात कर रहे थे. तो एक बहुत ही जिंदा दिल आदमी जिसकी इतनी अच्छी आवाज हो, इतनी खूबसूरत आवाज हो, और वो बोल नहीं पा रहा हो. तो बहुत तकलीफ से गुजरे वो. एंड बस यही है कि उनकी फैमिली को हिम्मत मिले एंड दे मे कोप विद इट, बिकॉज़ उनकी मदर को भी कोविड हो गया.
Oh wow.
सो एंड आई होप कि वो रिकवर कर सकें, ताकि फैमिली ऑलरेडी इतने मुश्किल से गुजरी. उनके फादर का इंतकाल हुआ था पिछले साल.
जी.
सो इट्स अ वेरी टफ टाइम फॉर देम. एंड देन फिर उनकी जो साजिद भाई की वाइफ है लुबना, तो शी हैज ऑलरेडी गिवन वन किडनी ऑफ हर्स. सो आई होप कि दैट शी हैज अ लॉन्ग लाइफ, बिकॉज उनकी भी बच्चे हैं. सो
जी.
या इट्स अ बिट टफ फॉर आई थिंक एवरीवन.
Yeah. Wow. तो फरीद अपना फरीद, थैंक यू सो मच. आई नो it's a late in India. Thank you
It's
so
always
much.
pleasure talking to you. It's always pleasure talking to you.
And you say hi to Insha and all the best to her. It was very nice to talk.
Insha is right here with me.
Achha,
Insha
she's
is
here.
listening to me. In fact, she has written a new write-up on quarantine, her entire time with the quarantine. I'll send you for reading.
Please, that'll be great. That'll be great.
I'll do that.
So,
thank you very much. Thank you.
All the best to you. Inshallah, we'll be talking soon again.
Thank you so much, bhai. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care.
One and only Farid Shahryar, all the way from India, Mumbai.